Hello, what is up everybody? RL57 here, back with yet another diecast car video. And in today's video, of course, we will be checking out the brand new Hot Wheels Mazda 787B. This is number 226 out of 250. Number 5 of 10 from Peak Pursuit. I believe this is a 2025 casting, not 2026. But still a really good one, nevertheless, in the iconic livery. Do I have the car culture one? I'm not sure. But yeah, this is the Mazda 787B. So I think that's all. Let's go ahead and of course open this up. So here is the Mazda 787B. While I put it on the turntable, let me go find the old car culture one that I have. Managed to bring out the car culture one, but first of course we'll focus on this one. A really nice model of 787B. We used to see it a lot in car culture, then it of course came to mainline. There was a supercharged, as far as I remember, the Renault livery, if I'm not mistaken, and there were several other liveries as well. For the iconic 787B. A really good race car back in the day, of course. Raced in Le Mans as well, the 787B. A very nice car with a of course loud engine at the time. And yeah, many people loved it. A very good car. And yet of course it's sitting in a museum nowadays, since of course they don't usually use it anymore, of course. But yeah, this is the main line, and I don't know how many years ago. Let me just put it aside. How many years ago, I have no clue. I did a review of the car culture. So just so you know, this is mainline, this is car culture. I've done this review like I don't know how many years. This channel is like almost 7 years now, so I think I did a review about 6 years ago for this car. And honestly, still a very memorable car culture model that I have. Since at the time, of course, I was into Hot Wheels, but rarely buy car culture. And when I bought the set that this car came in, the car culture one, it was Circuit Legends, if I'm not mistaken, the first one. And well, I fell in love with all the cars in the set, all 5. And of course the highlight in that set is obviously the 787B here. So it of course brought me back into car culture. I mean, I barely like buy car culture, and of course now look at the background, you can already see like so many car culture models that I have. And yeah, this is one of it, the 787B that I used to have for quite a while, of course. A very old casting of mine. But yeah, let's go ahead and take a close look at our 787B. So it's quite different from the car culture one that I've reviewed a long time ago. Firstly, of course, on the main line, you do not have the ability to take off the rear hatch of the engine at the back. You cannot do that on the main line. And also another thing, on the main line, the rear spoiler is actually fully metal, so there are no possibilities of, you know, what's repeating. The bent spoiler issue due to the blister. And yeah, by the way, the old one, there you go. Yeah, the old one does pop out. By the way, this one is from Circuit Legends, the car culture set that came out years ago. A very, very cool car culture piece of mine. And then came in the mainline one right here that came out last year. Really, really nice, if I'm being honest. They're doing it really, really interestingly. Of course, it is painted in full metallic white. And nevertheless, you have a lot of details on this car. But sadly, some of the details weren't brought into this mainline. What's on the car culture isn't 100% on this mainline car, which is a bit sad, and they had to downgrade few other things on the car culture to bring it into the mainline, so they can, of course, they can lower down the cost and all. But first, we'll start off with the rims. Of course, you have mixed matched rims, similar to the real car. You do have 5 spokes on the back, colored in like bronze, chrome bronze, I think. Number 18 at the back, Hot Wheels logo, Brembo, Mazda logo right there, Mazda text, sorry. On the front, you do have these sort of like mainline disc rims in white, which, yeah, pretty accurate for mainline, of course. Down to the headlights right here. Detailed, but not as detailed as the car culture one, of course. You have the Mazda text right there, 787B. Some front intakes for the grille. You do have the extended front splitter colored in this, I don't know what color is this, tan? Dark tan, I think. Number 18 on above the headlights. You have some blue stripes right there. You do have this vent right here on the front. You have the massive cockpit, the windshield right here. Regular windshield tint, blacked out interior. And of course, it's a race car, yeah, by the way. So you have the side windows there as well. So yeah, they do not include the stripes, just if you're wondering. The one on top is the car culture. Hold on. So one on top is car culture. You can see that blue stripe continues towards the back, where the mainline one does not have it, sadly. So it is a bit of a downgrade, although it is a mainline car, but like, yes, so many things that are missing from the real car, the mainline car. In fact, even over at the rear, what do you call this? Rear spoiler as well. So yeah, technically it is quite different. They mixed and matched it a lot, interestingly. So yeah, interesting, very, very interesting, in fact. So that goes the mainline, car culture, sorry. Here's the other side, pretty much the same thing. That's the rear spoiler that I showed you just now. The same Mazda on the side and also on the top. Here's the back, pretty much empty. The car culture one has a bit of detail, but that's all. Other than that, yeah, empty. Base. So you have a dark tan base. Plastic, by the way. Mazda 787B 2022 Mattel, made in Malaysia. Right. Very, very nice casting by Hot Wheels, but of course many downgrades, so I still recommend the car culture one better, although it just like, it's a difference of few bucks, but I don't know what's the market price nowadays for the car culture one, of course, but yeah, better buy the car culture or even other brands. For mainline, yeah, it is of course for a cheap cost, so they don't really want to focus in too much on the liveries and all. But yeah, there you go, that's my review of the Mazda 787B made by Hot Wheels. Let me know what you think down in the comment section down below. And once again, I'd like to say thank you guys for watching. See my other videos. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you soon. Bye bye.